What are 4-type O genetics? Let's get start. There are several branches of genetics, but 4 major types of genetics are: classical genetics. This branch of genetics deals with the study of inheritance patterns and the mechanisms of inheritance of genetic traits. It was first established by Gregor Mendel, who studied the inheritance of traits in pea plants and developed the laws of inheritance. Molecular genetics. This branch of genetics deals with the study of the structure and function of genes at the molecular level. It involves techniques such as DNA sequencing and cloning to understand the genetic makeup of organisms and how genes control the expression of traits. Population genetics. This branch of genetics deals with the study of genetic variation within and among populations. It involves the study of natural selection, genetic drift, and migration to understand how genetic variation changes over time and how it affects the evolution of populations. Medical genetics. This branch of genetics deals with the study of the genetic basis of diseases and disorders. It involves the study of the inherited patterns of disease, genetic testing, and genetic counseling to help in the diagnosis and treatment of genetic disorders. Examples. An example of classical genetics would be the study of the inheritance of flower color in pea plants. An example of molecular genetics would be the study of how mutations in the BRCA1 gene increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. An example of population genetics would be the study of how genetic variation changes in a population of fruit flies over time. An example of medical genetics would be the study of the genetic basis of cystic fibrosis, a disorder caused by mutations in the CFTR gene.